This is integrations part 21. In last video, part 20, we discussed some problems using the property integral from 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. In this video, we discuss some other problems using the same properties. Integral from 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The first examples, evaluate. It means find the value of integral from 0 to pi by 2. 1 divided by 1 plus tan to the power 4 of x into dx. This one is also similar to the previous examples. 1 divided by 1 plus tan to the power 4 of x into dx. Here also the first rewrite this value is equal to, first we can taking I is the given integral. Integral from 0 to pi by 2. 1 divided by 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x into dx. You say that this one is the property, first integral. Here using the properties, third property, fourth property, it means x is replaced by a minus x. A means here pi by 2. 1 divided by 1 plus tan raised to 4 of pi by 2 minus x into dx. Just x is replaced by a minus x. Its value is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2, 1 divided by 1 plus tan of pi by 2 minus x whole raised to 4. Tan of pi by 2 minus x is cot x. Raised to 4 means cot to the power 4 of x into dx. And rewrite this value is equal to using by definition of cot x. Cot x is the reciprocal of tan x. Therefore, here you write this value is 1 divided by 1 plus tan, 1 divided by 1 by 1 plus 1 divided by tan raised to 4 of x into dx, because cot x means 1 by tan x. And taking LCM and simplify, you get its value is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2. Suppose multiplying tan raised to 4x, tan raised to 4x divided by tan raised to 4x plus 1 into dx. You say that this one is the second integral. Already is given that integral from 0, or you can taking I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2, 1 divided by 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x into dx. And using the properties fourth, I is rewrite integral from 0 to pi by 2, tan raised to 4 of x divided by 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x into dx. The method is same. Here adding these two, 1 plus 2, I plus I plus I, 2I is equal to, integral is same, 0 to pi by 2. The first function is 1 divided by 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x, plus second function is tan raised to 4 of x divided by 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x into dx, because addition is commutative. 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x or tan raised to 4 of x plus 1, both are equal. Here taking LCM, we get 0 to pi by 2. The LCM is 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x, the same LCM, that denominators, therefore adding numerators, 1 plus tan raised to 4 of x into dx, you get 0 to pi by 2. These are cancels, you get 1 into dx, therefore 2I is equal to integration of 1 with respect to x is x, the range is 0 to pi by 2, its value is pi by 2, therefore I is equal to pi by 4. In this case also pi by 4. Or here write tan raised to 4 of x can be written as sin raised to 4 divided by cos raised to 4. Multiplying cos raised to 4, you get cos raised to 4 divided by sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4. You know that sin raised to n or cos raised to n divided by sin to the power n of x plus cos to the power n of x is always equal to pi by 4. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು or Just applications. The next examples, evaluate the similar type using the basic. Here also tan x divided by tan x plus cot x like this forms. The next one is integral from 0 to 1. X into 1 minus x raised to n into dx. This also evaluate integral from 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to n into dx formula. This one is also. First here you can taking I is equal to integral from 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to n into dx. Now direct ಆಗಿ integrate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because 1 minus x raised to n using binomial theorems. It is very lengthy. But using the properties, the fourth one, integral from 0 to a f of x into dx means 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Therefore, here rewrite using the fourth property 0 to 1, x is replaced by a minus x. Here a is equal to 1, 1 minus x into 1 minus 1 minus x, x is replaced by 1 minus x whole raised to n into dx. Right? Its value is equal to integral from 0 to 1, 1 minus x into, suppose here simplify, remove this bracket, minus 1 plus x plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x raised to n into dx. And simplify this one is 0 to 1, x raised to n into 1 means x raised to n minus x into x raised to n means x raised to n plus 1 into dx. Next, easily integrate. What is integration of x raised to n? Integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus integral of difference equal to difference of their integrals. Integral of x raised to n plus 1 means n plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, x to the power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2. The range here given that is 0 to 1. And simplify. Therefore, I is equal to, here not adding, directly you get the results. Therefore, I is equal to integral 0 to 1 x raised to n minus x raised to n plus 1 into dx. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Here put the value of upper limit, put x is equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1 raised to n plus 1 means 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. Because put the value of x equal to 1, 1 raised to n plus 1 or 1 raised to n plus 2, its value is always 1. Next, put the lower limit x equal to 0, both are 0, therefore minus 0 to get its value is equal to taking LCM n plus 1 into n plus 2 to get the values n plus 2 minus into bracket n plus 1. Here you know that n plus 2 minus n minus 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Here you know that plus n minus n cancel, 2 minus 1 means 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. The value of integral from 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to n into dx values. The same result is asked in CET. Here remember this one is the standard result. Integral from 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to n, answer is always 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Result ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ CET ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 1 times asked 0 to 1 x into x minus 1 to the power 6 into dx ಅಂತ. ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ here n is equal to 6, answer is 6 plus 1 means 7 into 6 plus 2 means 8. Its value is 1 divided by 56, 7 into 8. Now, result ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದನ್ನೇ annual exam ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. Here, applying the third property. In competitive exams, just remember the results. The similar type question is asked one times integral from 0 to 2 x into root of 2 minus x into dx. X into root of 2 minus x into dx. Suppose here also using the same properties. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ. Remember, I is the given integral 0 to 2 x into root of 1 minus x into dx. Here you know that this integral is exactly equal to using the fourth property. X is replaced by a minus x means 2 minus x into this value is 2 minus x. 2, x is replaced by 2 minus x. It means minus x minus, here 2 minus x you can write. 2 minus 2 minus x like this into dx. X is replaced by 2 minus x. It means its value is 0 to 2, 2 minus x into minus 2 plus 2, plus 2 minus 2 cancels, minus minus plus x, root x. Root x means x to the power half into dx. It means 0 to 2, 2 times x to the power half minus x to the power 3 by 2 into dx. Alright, 2 is a constant. Integral from 0 to 2 x to the power 1 by 2 into dx minus integral from 0 to 2 x to the power 3 by 2 into dx. ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. Therefore, I is equal to, the 2 is a constant. What is integration of x raised to half ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ half plus 1, 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, range is 0 to 2. Minus x to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 andre 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, range is 0 to 2. Yes, evaluate this values. Here this one is 4 by 3 into, it is clear, 2 comes to here, 4 by 3. Put x equal to 2 means x equal to 2, 3 by 2. Its value is 2 to the power 3 by 2. 2 to the power 3 by 2 means root 2 to the power 3. Its value is equal to 2 root 2. Minus 2 divided by 5 into x to the power 2 means 2 to the power 5 by 2. X to the power 5, root of x raised to 5. 4 means 4 and into 2, 4 root 2. Yes, 2 raised to 3 by 2 means 2 raised to 1 plus half, 2 into root 2. 2 raised to 3 by 2, 5 by 2 means 2 raised to 2 plus half. 2 square means 4 into root 2. This value is 4 root 2. Then we simplify, this value is equal to, here 8 into root 2 divided by 3 minus 8 into root 2 divided by 5. 8 into root 2 minus 8 into root 2 is LCM, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. We are taking 15 is LCM, 8 into root 2. Clear? 5 minus, it's 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 into 8. It means 16 times root 2 divided by 15. That one is the value of integral from 0 to 2, x into root of 2 minus x into dx. All these are 3-mark questions. Calculations, integration is very simple. First, simplify using the given properties. It depends on, now property will depend on using that property, the particular property, and simplify. And similar type questions, evaluate integral from 0 to 5 by 2, log of tan x into dx or cot x into dx, 2-mark questions. Integrations from 0 to 5 by 2, log of tan x into dx. Integral of log means integrations by parts. It's a lengthy process, but using the properties, very easily solving this problem. First, you can taking I is equal to integral from 0 to 5 by 2, the log of tan x into dx. You say that this one is the first result. Its value is equal to integral from 0 to 5 by 2, log of, here using the fourth property, tan of x can be written as pi by 2 minus x into dx. And simplify, therefore you get I is 0 to 5 by 2, the log of tan of pi by 2 minus x means cot x into dx. We will say that this one is the second integrals. Here also adding these two integrals, integral 1 plus integral 2. In left hand side I plus I is 2i. In right hand side integral from 0 to pi by 2. The same range. The first function's log of tan x plus second function's log of cot x into dx. You know that the property, using the properties of logarithms, log of tan x plus log of cot x, which is in the form of log of m plus log n, log of m into n. Properties ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Therefore, you write 2i is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of m andre tan x into n andre cot x into dx. Logarithm of the product equal to sum of the logarithms. Properties ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Again, using the trigonometric result, tan x into cot x. Cot x means 1 by tan x, cancel. You get its value is log 1 into dx. What is the value of log 1? You know that integral from 0 to pi by 2 log 1 is always 0 with respect to x. 0 into integral of 1 means 0, the value of 2i. Therefore, I is equal to 0. It means I means integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x into dx ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, or integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x into dx. Answer ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0. This one is also using the fourth property. Very easily you can solve or prove that the given integral value is 0. And one more. This one is actually is 4 or 5 mark questions, but usually ask 3 or 4 mark questions. Integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. Integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. Here also first take I is integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. You say that this one is the first integral. Here also using the fourth property 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan can be written as tan of x can be written as tan of x is replaced by pi by 4 minus x. Pi by 2 ne irbeku anta illa, pi by 4 minus x into dx. Here using the trigonometric results log of, you write 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus x, tan of x minus y formula use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Here tan x means tan pi by 4. You know that tan pi by 4 is a standard angles 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. Or you simplify this one is 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x. LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, you taking LCM is 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x plus tan x minus tan x cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Its value is 1 plus 1 andre 2 into dx. LCM is 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x plus tan x minus tan x is cancel. Here you say that this one is second result. Here also adding both the results, integral 1 and integral 2. Then we get the value of 2i. Left hand side is I plus I, 2i. In first integrals, integral from 0 to pi by 4, the first one is log of 1 plus tan x plus second one is log of 2 divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. It is clear? Here again using the properties of logarithm, log m plus log n means log of m into n, 1 plus tan x into 2 divided by 1 plus tan x. Here 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x cancel. We get integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 into dx. Here you know that log 2 is constant. Integral from 0 to pi by 4 1 into dx. Therefore 2i is equal to log 2 into, what is integration of 1 with respect to x? Is x. The range is 0 to pi by 4. Its value is log 2 into, put x is equal to pi by 4, you get pi by 4 minus 0. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 4 minus 0 means pi by 4 into log 2 divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi by 8 into log 2. It is also one of the standard result. Integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. Usual ಆಗಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ questions and it's a standard sets. Integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx values. It's clear? The next problems, the similar type using the same properties. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಿ examples using the respective property. That is very important. The next one is the actually 6 mark questions, integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx irbodu, or integral from 0 to pi by 2 you get the same values log of cos x into dx. The method is same, but here using the next property is also in this case the 6th property. Here I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. You say that this one is the first integral. Its value is 0 to pi by 2 log of x is replaced by pi by 2 minus x sin of pi by 2 minus x into dx. Therefore, I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x into dx. You say that this one is the second result. Suppose here taking log of cos x, so cos of pi by 2 minus x is log of sin x. It means I equal to log of sin x is exactly equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x. Both the values are equal. Here also adding these two, suppose adding 1 and 2, we get 2i is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2, the first integral log of sin x, second one is log of cos x into dx. Again using the same property 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into cos x means log of sin x plus log of cos x is log of sin x into cos x into dx. Yeah. Next, using the trigonometric results, you know that 2 times sin x into cos x is sin of 2x. Therefore, sin x into cos x means sin 2x divided by 2. We get its value is log of sin of 2x divided by 2 into dx. Or using the same 2i is equal to logarithm property log of m by n log m minus log n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x into dx minus 2 times, or you can write minus log m by n means log m minus log n log 2 into dx. Now combined agi helbodu. Therefore, 2i is equal to, in this case, I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of 2x into dx minus here log 2 is constant, take outside integral from 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx, right? Therefore, 2i can be written as this one is the first integral minus log 2 into integration of 1 means x, the range is pi by 2 means this value is pi by 2 minus 0 means pi by 2. Integration of 1 under x, so range 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 minus 0 under pi by 2. It's clear? Here, the first integrals, first simplify separately, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of 2x into dx. Just remember the previous results. The next property here using, suppose here put the value of 2x is equal to t and it implies 2 into dx is equal to dt agutte, or dx is equal to half into dt, and the limits are change agutte, x equal to 0, then t is also equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 2 hakidre it implies t equal to pi aitu. Therefore, I1 is rewrite 0 to pi by 2. 0 iddaga 0 ne irutte, pi by 2 iddaga pi aitu, log of sin of 2x anna sin of 2x anna t anta ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಆಗ dx anna half ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ into dt, or dt divided by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Here half is constant, take outside integral from 0 to pi log of, using the first property sin of t is replaced by x, then dt is replaced by dx. It's clear? 0 to pi log of sin x into dx. Suppose here f of x is equal to log of sin x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it implies f of pi minus x. Its values ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log of sin of pi minus x, like in second quadrant sin is positive, pi means name is same, ಇದ್ರ values sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Here using the sixth property, integral from 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x into dx. ಯಾವಾಗ f of 2a minus x ಏನಾದ್ರೂ f of x ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ log of sin x, f of pi minus 2a means pi minus x is f of x. Therefore ನಾವು I1 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? The first integral using this property, its value is half into integral from, here remember f of x equal to log x ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, f of pi minus x is f of x ಆಯಿತು, 2a ಅಂದರೆ pi, a ಅಂದರೆ pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of f of x ಅದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ sin x into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು half into integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ assumption I ಅಂತ. Therefore in the required results here you know that 2i is equal to I1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 1 divided by 2 into I. I1 is half into I ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is clear? The value of I1, sorry, yes, dx is equal to half into I. I write here one more steps, then you can write 2 times here. Integral from 0 to 2a f of x into dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಐನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. therefore integral from 0 to pi log of sin x into dx values, log of sin of 2 into dx values exactly equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಅಂತ. therefore 2i is equal to this values I1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ I minus log 2 ಅಥವಾ half pi by 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು log 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈ I ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ therefore the required values I is equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2. It's clear? Minus pi by 2 into log 2. This value is pi by 2 into log 2. It is the integral from 0 to pi by 2, either log of sin x into dx or log of cos x into dx value is exactly equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು the same method here using the properties fourth property, but in this case here using the sixth property is also. Integral from 0 to 2a can be written as 2 times 0 to a f of x into dx. The condition is f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಇದು particular case actually is asked 4 or 5 mark question. This one is, but usually is asked for 4 marks. Property is 2 mark. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೂಫಿಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ 4 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It's clear? The similar way in some other problems, ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.